Magical Aeroplane.
Hello kids.
Hi Grandpa, what are we gonna learn today? We are very eager to listen.
Sure. Today, let me think.
This aeroplane looks to be very huge. Yes, it looks so huge. How many passengers can this carry? Maybe about 700?
Really?
I don't think there will be a bigger aeroplane than this. Definitely, this is the biggest.
Okay, now I have something interesting to tell you.
What is Grandpa?
The magical aeroplane.
Magical aeroplane?
Yes, it's very interesting aeroplane to learn about. Do you know how our traditional aeroplane looked like and what it is called?
No, Grandpa.
It is called Pushpak Vimanam.
What?
Pushpak Vimanam. Ramayana, one of the greatest epic of ancient time, mentions about this Pushpak Vimanam. And I must say, this is exactly the very first aeroplane that ever existed.
Wow!
Pushpak Vimanam was originally made by Vishwakarma for Brahma, the creator. Later, Brahma gave it to Kubera, the lord of wealth. But later it was stolen by King Ravana along with Lanka.
He stole an aeroplane? Really?
Yes, this Pushpak Vimanam looked more like a palace on a chariot and had wings to fly.
Oh, sounds great.
And you know what is the capacity of plane?
100?
No,
500?
no,
Must be 1000 then.
no, my dear. The Pushpak Vimanam, as described, could carry any number of people who boarded it.
Oh.
Moreover, this was not just an aeroplane. It was a huge that it was loaded with buildings, food courts, beaches, rivers, and everything you need.
Sounds like a big cruise.
Yes, even more to it. It can expand as much as required to carry any number of people. That is why we call it a magical aeroplane.
Wow! Amazing!
Yes, it is indeed an amazing creation belonging to ancient India. So kids, how did you like the magical aeroplane?
A splendid creation.
Yes, ancient India had many such splendid creations that we got to learn about.